Do you like food? I like food. Do you like saving money? Me too. Do you like grocery shopping? Oh, you don't? I'll do it for you. Hey guys, I'm Junie the Orange Huntress, and welcome back to my channel where we bring the hunt home and the wild inside. Today, I'm going to take you shopping with me, not clothes shopping, grocery shopping. It's even better. My plan this week is to cook mainly with venison for my supper meals, other than one night, which is Friday, always going to be pizza. We're going to go grocery shopping, I'm going to show you my haul, and then I'm going to show you all the meals that I prepped and cooked this week. And hopefully it inspires you to use the venison you have in your freezers. Not only is it healthy, but it's also beneficial for your pocketbook as well. I'm going to break down how much I spent on groceries, how much each meal was, and I'll tell you about the app that saved me a bunch of money. Not sponsored. Let's go shopping. So my groceries ended up being $172, which included my $22 that I spent on my Flashfood order, which is actually pretty good. Normally I budget around $220 for groceries a week, and I am very happy when I don't actually spend that much. Leave me a comment down below. What does your grocery budget look like, and what are some of the ways that you like to save money? And this is where I get sucked in, and I just have to look, but I won't get anything today. So I just got back from Superstore, and I picked up all this food, at least this stuff, with Flashfood. It's an app that I have on my phone, so when things are about to expire or getting close to that, then they'll put like fruit and veggies in boxes. I got this box which has like 2 peppers, some apples, a whole thing of grapes. There's 2 cucumbers and some oranges and also some lemons for $5. But this is all half off. Normally this is $6 and $9 and $9, and so these 2 were $4.50 each, and this was $3. And these were both $2.22. They're originally $4.44, and I would need to buy bologna anyway. Normally when I buy bologna, it's $6 for 600 grams. So I'm like, I'm saving money. I'll put a link for that in the description down below, and that way you can go on that site. They upload consistently throughout the day. You could save a bundle. Okay, so I've got my grocery haul for the week, and I'm only missing thyme. I'm gonna try and do venison for 6 meals. So if you want to see how that rolls out, just keep watching this video. We need to get some Tums for Curtis, yogurt for granola that I'm going to make this week. Cream cheese is always for our smoky mac and cheese. Cheddar is going to be for quesadillas and lunches and anything else we want to put cheese with. Butter, staple. 2 4 liters of milk because we're going to eat our cereal. And if I need to do baking, I think I'll make some pancakes, and for granola it's also good too, the kids like that. I'm gonna try out a Gordon Ramsay recipe that I will also be posting in the next few weeks, and so I need to use some wine and dark chocolate for that. I'm so pumped. I also bought some garlic and shallots, and that's what I need the thyme with. Iced tea, Curtis loves that. I'm out of garlic, so I needed that. 30 eggs. This lasts us definitely a week, sometimes more, depending on how much we bake. Yogurt for the kids for lunches or snacks. Frozen peas and carrot. And then these are good for lunches. I thought we'd try the creamy ranch out. And tortilla chips for our taco salad tomorrow night, which is Tuesday. And we need some more salsa. This was on sale, and I love it when it's on sale. Some more rice crackers for Irene's lunches because the boys don't like those ones. I got some extra oranges. We like the mandarin ones as opposed to the normal ones because they're small and they're easy to peel and stuff like that. A big thing of carrots because I'm going to be making stew. A head of lettuce for salad, for our taco salad. 3 heads of broccoli. I get the crowns. I got some yellow bananas, and then I got some greenish bananas, and so that way they'll all last us throughout the week. And some tomatoes. I've got our 4 loaves of bread for lunches. I always love to get tomato paste and mushrooms. Got my my beans and my crushed tomatoes over here. And I'm gonna make granola this week too. So I've got my sunflower seeds and almonds, and I got some tortillas. I got 10 of them. They were on sale as well. I'll make some muffins this week. I'll make pancakes, and yeah, definitely making biscuits on Sunday. So that's my grocery haul. Total for these groceries, not my flash food, these were like $151. Monday night, Curtis was home with the kids, and he makes the staple smoky mac and cheese and venison sausage, along with some veggies. It's Taco Tuesday! I linked down below the recipe for my homemade taco seasoning if you want to try that out, as well as every other recipe I'm going to show you this week. It's all down in the description below. This is how I made my venison barbecue quesadillas. Let me show you how my husband made them.
Looking good.
This was the day that I challenged Gordon Ramsay's red wine chocolate sauce venison steak recipe. If you want to check out that video from last week, the link will be down in the description. It's Friday night, and it's pizza night. We don't do anything else but this. So pizza, grandma's salad, this is it.
Write what you guys have for Friday nights and we'll read them all. I'm excited.
I made shepherd's pie tonight. My family loves shepherd's pie. I topped it with some Parmesan. I broiled it for the last minute and a half. It's gonna be amazing. Some yummy hearty venison stew for Sunday. I did it up in my Instant Pot and it was scrumptious. We had enough leftovers for lunches. It was great. Thanks for hanging with me, guys. I know this is a little bit different than some of the content I've previously put out. I just thought I'd try something new because I am also inspired by grocery hauls. I hope it was helpful and informative, and I hope it gave you some ideas for meal prepping and planning and cooking. If you enjoyed what you saw today, hit the like button. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. And I'll catch you next Wednesday morning.